What? Bare self-conscious, but I still got a lazy eye though. I saw my eyes are shaked, fam.
You never carry a guy gym, dog. But tell you already. The gym them open back now in the UK. When you go UK, get yourself a gym membership.
Bro, I need a personal trainer for my eyes.
What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S gave A with another reaction. The record, all is a record, all is a record. So today, guys, today we are here with my G, my box. Bugzy, I don't see your post one of my reaction video there, man. Bugzy Malone, my G, my boss. I do not see a post one of my reaction video them. Wagwan dog. Me talk to you, Bugzy. Look at my face when I talk to you, brother. Don't look down. Wagwan, brother. Like what the English say, you should be ashamed of yourself. Bugzy, look at yourself. I'm a G. I'm a G now. Bugzy, I'm a G, man. Bugzy, I'm a G. It feel like, I'm going to tell you when we start get... Guys, we are reacting to Bugzy Malone right out. Let me tell you when we start pre-Bugzy different. When Bugzy show homage to him cousin we dead on the bus at Jamaica, Dane. Dane. Him and Dane there and Dane go back to Jamaica and you don't know. Tragedy happened to Dane and Dane never make it. So, I start show homage because I said to myself, so me could have been Dane. Me could have been Dane. So, the fact say Bugzy show homage to him, no, just different. So, Bugzy, because I say, G, I'm a friend. Yeah, I'm a friend, alone, I know him personally, I'm a friend, dog. So, we're going to jump into that one and react to that Bugzy. Big up yourself, Bugs. Bugzy's videos here, dog.
This is what I was just about to say, you know. I'm happy, Joe. I swear sometimes you just read my mind. Like, lavish every time. Like, every time it's just money there, bro. Like, this scene alone, it looks like he's on some casino James Bond-ish.
In one previous reaction, me tell you say Bugzy and Fredo, when them sing, me believe it.
Yeah.
Bugzy are the man where Bugzy that only sing and make you believe it. Bugzy show you. Bugzy show you. Bugzy sing about $1 million house. Bugzy sing about him Bentleys, him Rolls Royce, him art gallery. Bugzy sing about every fucking thing and show you, dog.
Yeah.
Bugzy sing about couple grenade in our house or something like that. Him say in our case lock up and him show you in one video. Bugzy different, dog. Bugzy always set the bar higher and higher.
100.
So it take a hard for a lot of artists reach up there, so.
Yeah.
No joke. So let's go.
Step in the club and nobody gets unlocking. Bottles start popping and bodies start dropping. Like you. Forget what Bugzy just said a while ago. You me attack. You like you. Me like you. Yeah. Think I've been shot in the way I get guapping, but I'm OG status, so I never touch nothing. I'm not.
You see Bugzy haircut?
Man, he's got waves, bro.
No, not just the waves. Bugzy have like him have an old school haircut, like. Think
I've been shot in the way I get guapping, but I'm OG status, so.
Look here.
Okay. He's on some black James Bond shit, right?
Never touch nothing. I'm not checking the time, I'm just looking at it ticking. Ice cubes in the bezel, got my wrist dripping. Gold in my belt.
Whoa. Ice cubes in my belt, got my wrist
dripping. Bugzy never stop, but Bugzy just.
Call like I'm Pete Griffin, I just keep sipping, I keep sipping.
Where's Pete Griffin?
Peter Griffin from
Family Guy.
Family Guy.
Yeah. You can tell it's a Bugzy chilling in my house more time. I watch cartoon and Bugzy. She pretty too, you know. She pretty. You whole like girl, I'm pretty. Big up on the blood clot sale. I love her now.
Started in Harrods with a Louis V bag. I'm in Dior sipping champagne. Why did he brag?
I'm in Dior sipping champagne. So I'm starting at Harrods with that Louis V bag. Now he's in Dior sipping champagne. So that means when Bugzy walking at the store in a Dior store, the whole store locked down.
Mad.
That is the level of Bugzy depend now. The whole store locked down. Sir Malone. Don't call me Bugzy. Sir Malone, what would you like to drink, sir? Everybody come out to the shop. Or just reserve it that hour there for Bugzy or that 2 hours for Bugzy. And him pick up everything, him not check the price tag. Money. Boss move.
Then I'm on the top floor eating coconut prawns with a pina colada just to relax. I'm in the jeweler dropping money like it's going out of fashion. Rubies in my pendant, now the women are harassing.
Who him look like?
That's like Skepta.
Who him look like?
It is like Skepta.
No.
I'm in the jeweler dropping money like it's going out of fashion. Rubies in my pendant, now the women are harassing.
I was looking at the glasses, innit? It reminded me of Skepta. I don't know about the hair. But
You don't look like Kirk. You don't look like Kirk.
He was taller, I lie.
You look like Kirk.
I swear no, I can't unsee that though, fam.
Him look like
I
Kirk.
cannot unsee that. If you don't have a pair of them glasses there, you need a pair of
Him
them
have
glasses.
one.
Ah, it's over. It's over.
Kirk, big up yourself, bro.
Harassing. Underground car park, I got me the apartment. AMG with the big wheels for my darling. Stepped hard and left looking like I'm God's gift on my...
They're fucking confident. People often mistake arrogance with confident. Bugzy is not arrogant, but Bugzy is confident and happy in the place that he is now. From a man that was locked up in prison to now, Bugzy is fucking happy doing what he's doing, dog. And they will show you. So if Bugzy can do it, you can do it too.
My haters will be pissed that I'm living like this. Haircut in the living room, my barber's my guy.
Haircut in the living room. Barber is my guy. Bugzy a stunt. Bugzy a stunt, you fuck.
Dirty floors up, looking out into the sky. Look, it gets mad when I bring the gang out. I bring four with me on a night out.
And bring 4 of them for the night out.
Yeah.
4 and bridging them.
Diamonds make a nigga stand out. And if these problems, then we bang out. It gets mad when I bring the gang out.
You hear him say? If it's problem, then him bang out. Then him ready for fist to up. Because Bugzy used to box.
Ah, okay.
You never know that?
Nah.
Bugzy was a boxer.
You're a real Bugzy fan.
But tell you that, brother.
We post the video, Bugzy.
Bugzy was a boxer, brother.
Yeah.
Bugzy was a boxer. You know when I video them, I'm also in the ring. No one of the old school video them Bugzy actually in the ring.
Yeah.
Boxer. Bugzy was a boxer, so Bugzy can angle himself.
Four with me on a night out. Diamonds make a nigga stand out. And if these problems, then we ride out. I can never get caught slipping. The hair's looking 10-10, the face looking different.
Bugzy just change up.
Body looking 10-10, face looking different.
Look on the chain, that chain is infamous in the brother. That pendant with the bean.
He's got it tattooed on his neck as well.
Shit.
Everything rose gold, the trainers are so cold. I'm in my Camry looking pop smoke. Every day I get dope, bendy with the big spokes on it. No, I don't smoke, but the edibles are chronic.
This guy just never fucking stop, dog.
I swear. What if I buy?
Yo, me proud of Bugzy a fuck. Like, me don't know. Me just double proud of Bugzy, dog. Me just brother. Yeah, hit me.
And the business is solid. Bugzy Malone selling from the high street. I'm like the Wolf of Wall Street. Might see me overseas. 𝐂𝐊𝐃𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 shades and a side bag. On the dance floor somewhere, bringing the vibe back. Both of
So that means him tell us say, yo, when time him out, him not afraid to get on the dance floor and enjoy himself and get him groove down.
my sidekick, gun fingers for the DJ to pull the trap back with a pop, big ball of grey goose.
Gum fingers to the DJ to wheel up the tune.
Pop.
Sidekick, gun fingers for the DJ to pull the trap back with a pop, big ball of grey goose. Celebrate the success. This isn't my debut. I stay doing business now. Labels.
This is my debut. I stay doing business. So him all is about him money.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, Bugzy different, dog. Bugzy different. Fuck.
When I invest, tell them this is black independence, it is best. And I said it with chest. The chains looking hefty, the bottles are frosty. Couple day ones that have got me.
Bugzy, let me ask you something now, brother. Pan a real man to man. Hear me I say. Mosquito, go on, man. Suck your man. Bugzy, let me ask you something now. You can't invite me to one of your video shoot then, brother. Let's ask for your friend. Have I skipped some of the video? I skip some of the video though. Skip some of the video, man.
Make a nigga stand out. And if these problems, then we bang out. It gets mad when I bring the gang out. Four with me on a night out. Diamonds make a nigga stand out. And if these problems, then we ride out. It gets mad when I bring the gang out. I bring four with me on a night out. Diamonds make a nigga stand out. And if these problems, then we bang out. It gets mad when I bring the gang out. Four with me on a night out. Diamonds make a nigga stand out. And if these problems, then we ride out. said he would.
Miss some of it. Guys, sorry. I missed some of the video a while ago because when I kill the dirty mosquito, see me, I'm show you him bumper clot and big and long and ugly. See me? I kill him blood clot. Murder him. Murder was committed. Pussy. So this is where I was, and then my hand touched the keyboard and it got. So sorry about that. I bring it back as well.
With chest, the chains looking hefty, the bottles are frosty. Couple day ones that have got me, and they know I've got them. If they've got a problem, yeah, that's the man them. Look, it gets mad when I bring the gang out. I bring four.
Gang, like I say, gang.
Diamonds make a nigga stand out. And if these problems, then we bang out. It gets mad when I bring the gang out. Four with me on a night out. Diamonds make a nigga stand out. And if these problems, then we ride out. It gets mad when I bring the gang out. I bring four with me on a night out. Diamonds make a nigga stand out. And if these problems, then we bang out. It gets mad when I bring the gang out. Four with me on a night out. Diamonds make a nigga stand out. And if these problems, then we ride out.
Enjoyment that.
That's
The Resurrection.
mad.
Out now. When I go and cut Resurrection, it's out now. Bugzy, let me just start by saying this. Bugzy is one of them youth there where if you see them out in a night out, you don't want to fuck with him.
No.
Because even if him friend them not there, him still gonna mash you up by himself. And that is very unlikely. You see me? Even if him friend them not there, him still gonna mash you up. So, you don't want to fuck with Bugzy. Bugzy live in a gym, dog. You don't want to fuck with Bugzy. Bugzy thick. But Bugzy is one of those artists I'm really rate from the UK, dog. Yeah. Bugzy, like me tell you before, Bugzy and Chip are my artists from the UK, brother. And Bugzy and Chip just different, but Bugzy just different, dog. And yo, Bugzy, pick up yourself, my G. And it would really appreciate if you post on my video, then me react to your song. I would really appreciate that. 0161. 0161? 0161. Bumbleclot, Manchester, finest. You have nothing to say?
No.
Alright, guys, this is where we're going to end the one now, so. Big up on yourself, and I will see you in the next one. You hear that? Outside.